Welcome students, we are again together with a new video based on the chapter Presentation Software Special Effect. Students, before this chapter we have already learned about PowerPoint presentations basic features. In this chapter it is advanced features of PowerPoint presentation. What are the advanced features that are used in PowerPoint presentation? We will discuss in this chapter. Here we have to start our chapter with PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? We know it is a presentation software designed by Microsoft where we design our presentations. So here we have to deal with how to make it more attractive and present it in a more impressive manner. That is how our presentation could be more effective and impressive. So here basically there are three panes of a normal PowerPoint presentation, that is design pane, where we design the presentation. Slide pane, where more than one presentation in a PowerPoint presentation is known as slides. Individual page are known as slide. We have learned this. Second is slide pane and note pane. So there are three types of normal view, three types of pane in normal view, that is design pane, slide pane and note pane. Again, in PowerPoint presentation, the second thing is what are the different PowerPoint presentation views available. What are the different PowerPoint presentation views? First is normal, second is outline, third one you can see here is slide sorter view, then note page view, reading view, slideshow view. Means by default which view is available? Normal view. We can either select outline view, slide sorter view, note page view, reading view and slideshow view. Means these are the different options through which we can view our presentations in PowerPoint. Second is built-in templates. Templates means what? What is templates? We have learned previously. Templates is a pattern or blueprint of a slide. Template is a pattern or blueprint of a slide. So means if we are not able to create any new outline or a blueprint, we can select any pre-prepared blueprints. That pre-prepared blueprints are known as templates. Templates can contain what are the different options that are available in templates. They are layout, theme color, theme font and theme effect. Students, be very clear with that. What are the different options available in templates? They are layout, theme colors, theme font, theme effect, background style. These are the different options available in templates. Means we can add these effects to make our presentation attractive. Other than this, there is a very important point which is to be noted is template can be applied only at the time of creating a new presentation. Means you can select any desired templates only while you are creating a new slide. Means after creation of a slides, it is not possible for the user to change the template. So it is selected only when we are creating a slide. It is a very important point to be noted, students. Be very clear with this. Templates can be applied only at the time of creation of a new presentation. Means while we are creating a presentation, at that particular moment we can add templates. Now second thing is how we will open a PowerPoint presentation window. When we open a PowerPoint presentation window, you can see here different templates are available. It displays two pane. The left pane shows the list. You see here lists are available. List of all the recent view presentation. What are the presentations the user have viewed? The list are present on the left pane, and the right pane displays the templates. You can see here. This screen is present before you. This is left pane. This is right pane. In left pane, the different previously opened presentation lists are available. In the right pane, what is available is the list of templates. Now again, see, we can choose any templates. I have told you we can choose any templates by creating a slide, and any templates you can choose. Here see one have been selected for you, and a small window pop up. It displayed different colors. From here different colors options are available. You can choose and finally click on create button and a template is created. Now another thing is, after creating, students, we have to apply themes. We have to apply themes. We have to apply designs to that templates. How we will apply? Let us see here. See, a PowerPoint theme is a predefined combination of fonts, background colors, effects that are applied to our slide. Means, what are themes? The pre-decided. We have not created a templates. We have selected in a predefined templates, and now we have to make different changes. See, what are themes? Themes are, in a PowerPoint presentation, is a predefined combination of font, background, color and effect that are applied to our slide. This is themes. Now see how a theme is, where is theme available? It is present in a normal view. While we will click on design tab, we will find theme group. In design tab, we can find theme group. So if a question comes, where is the theme group available? It is available in design tab. From here you can select any of the desired themes and you can apply it to your presentation. Now next is color scheme, means that color. Now first you have selected a templates, then you have selected the themes. Now you will select color scheme, means how you will add color to your templates. You see here, while we will open a PowerPoint presentation, in a design tab, variant group on a ribbon is available. In a design tab, very important point for you student, in a design tab, variant groups are available on the ribbon, and from here you can select color, font, effect, background style. From here you can select it and then it will be applied to your presentation. Similarly, you can change the background color. It is again available in design tab. These all options are available in design tab, students. See, we are discussing about design tab. So again, background color option is also available in design tab. From here you can select it and you can apply it to your presentation, and the background will also be selected. Now after that is how we will add pictures or textures or solid fill or a gradient fills to our presentation. Solid fill means it will be filled with entire slide with only one color. In solid fill, or the entire presentation will be filled only with one color, that is solid fill. Another is gradient fill. Here the slide changes gradually, means it will change. You can see here, it is lighter here and it is darker here. It is changing. This is called gradient fill. And in pictures and textures, you can apply any pictures from the clip art available in the, or you can even add pictures, images. Suppose that you have having any particular images, you can apply them. Till this section we have learned how to add templates, how to change the color scheme, how to change the background color, how to add pictures. In next video we will again discuss few more features of PowerPoint. Okay, thank you.